For this circuit we need to find the resistance as seen from here. So what we notice here that there is a delta connection here with these three resistances, 10 ohms, 40 ohms and 50 ohms. So what we will do, we will replace this delta into Y, transform this delta into Y, so that we can find the equivalent resistance. So I will leave these two resistances as they are, 20 ohms here, this one, and these two 30 ohms and 60 ohms. So 30 ohms there, 60 ohms there, and then we will have two terminals here and one terminal there. So we will have one resistance coming here, the Y, one Y, and the third one Y, third Y resistance basically, and this is 80 ohms there. Now for the value of this one which is connected at this node will be 40 times 10. So 40 times 10, because these two resistances are connected at this node, divided by sum of the three delta resistances. So that's 50 plus 10 plus 40, that is 100. So this becomes 4 ohms, this one. Then we want to find this resistance, which will be 10 times 50 divided by 100, so that will be 5. So this resistance is 5, this one 5 ohms. Finally we want to find the resistance that is connected with this node. So that will be 40 times 50, because these two are the delta resistances that are connected with this node, divided by 40 times 50 divided by 100, so that will be 20. So 20 ohms there. So now what happens is, these 30 ohms, these 4 ohms, these two are coming in series, 60 ohms, 5 ohms, these two are coming in series, and then 20 ohms and 80 ohms, these are coming in series. So basically we have 20 ohms here, we have 34 ohms there now, 34 ohms, and then here we have 65 ohms, and then we have 100 ohms there. So 65 ohms and 34 ohms, that's 20 ohms here. So what's the equivalent value? These two are in parallel, so the equivalent resistance will be 34 times 65 divided by 34 plus 65, that is 99, and the value that we get is 22.32. so we will have, let's erase this resistance and this resistance, so we will have just one resistance there, and that will be the equivalent value of these two parallel resistances. So that will be 22.32 ohms. So the equivalent resistance as seen from here will be just these three series resistances, and that will be sum of these three. So 100 plus 20 plus 22.32, so that's 142.32 ohms. That will be the value of R.